say. Oh, crap. It's still recording.
It's Thursday, September 30th, and here we are. We are gonna be doing a pretty simple thing tonight. We are just going to take the skin off tail cone here, and we are just gonna clean it up, get this all ready for putting back on and riveting down. Well, wasn't much to see here tonight, but we're done. We got, we took the skins off. We got everything cleaned out on the inside here. Got that all vacuumed out, swept out, wiped out. I did put a little bit of safety wire on the harness connector for the GMU. So I got that done. We added the tail tie down ring. Didn't get to torque that down. I don't have my torque wrench up here for that, so I'll bring that tomorrow and get that done. And we riveted in the window support. So that's about it, right? Yeah, so not much to see. Just about destroyed the camera. The tripod, my old crusty tripod, I think, has finally about had it. So it
30 years old.
30, yeah, at least 30. Yeah, it's been around a long time. It fell over, one of the leg things broke, and it fell over, and I thought the camera was a goner, but it happened to just land on the tripod head, so didn't damage the camera. But anyways, hey, thanks for watching. Have a good evening, and that's it for now.